Hello, my dear friends. Today we are going to the vineyards of Europe to see how farmers here cultivate and harvest billions of grapes. To prepare for a new crop, these seedlings will be collected and treated before being transferred to another location. Before being moved to large fields, these seedlings are pruned and dipped in a probiotic to stimulate the growth of young shoots. The planting of vines usually takes place in early spring. These farmers will plant about 600 vines per acre. Currently, most grape varieties grown in Europe take about 3 to 4 years to be harvested for the first time. According to statistics, in 2022, Italy is the country with the largest grape production in Europe with 1.5 million tons. The next two countries are Spain and France. After a year from planting, the vines here will be pruned with this modern machine. Pruning during the first year helps the vines grow evenly and increases yield at harvest. This machine is used to remove the vines at the base where the pruner cannot reach. The grapes have begun to appear, and the harvest will take place in about 65 days. Do you feel satisfied or thirsty when you see these images? In small vineyards, the harvesting process will be done by dozens of workers. If you are a grape lover, we believe you will love working here. Every year when the vineyards enter the harvest period, about 57,000 workers are hired to work in Italy and France. Billions of grapes, after being harvested, are sent to factories to produce wine and grape juice. This is a modern machine used to harvest grapes in super large fields. This is what happens at a grape juice factory. Have you ever drunk grape juice before? Let us know how you feel about the taste of this juice. At the end of the video, we will go to other vineyards to see how the farmers there harvest and pack thousands of tons of grapes. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you find this video has something we could improve, please let us know in the comments section of the video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.